here number 1, 2, 3. So
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means the slope.
cylinders.
Oh, it's cylinder.
Cylinders.
This is cylinder. This is sensor. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
This is the open position. So the principle is
Okay, the sensor. Where is it?
this one. You can dismount it and mount it.
No. Wait. What is this? What is it for? Oh, it's going
This
to the
go
box.
yeah to the box to
The-
the E60 E96
Yeah.
box.
The sensor. Where is the sensor?
This is
This is the sensor.
yes. This is the sensor because the
This is drive from the crankshaft.
crankshaft.
Drive from crankshaft.
Yeah.
This is the sensor.
Yes. You can move it.
And this what it means?
This means once you change it, you should turn the engine to the TDC, and this should be when you turn to TDC. This should be
How
The
can
re-
I know that it's?
Yeah.
Oh, this is one sensor. This is two sensors.
yes
Two sensors.
redundant. Redundant.
Окей. А ну, Валерий, чуть-чуть. Валер, крутни. Чуть-чуть. На втором. А на этом нет.
Метки?
А,
Ну,
вот
вот
она.
метка.
Вот она, стоп, все.
Okay.
They are in different positions.
No, if you dismount, it should be at the same.
Now the sensors. you
How to
see-
check it? How to check whether the belt is slip when you turn the engine to TDC, for example, to TDC, it should be this red line should be with this red line.
А, они должны
Yes.
сходиться,
Yes.
видишь, тут и
To
тут.
check.
И тут надо так же самое, но тут за
Ага.
крышкой не видно.
And this one the same, yeah?
Yes, if you
The red
remove
line.
the cover, you will find it. So you have a try, dismount it, and
You know, we don't need to try. It's not a big deal. Only a few
Open
bolts.
here, yeah.
so you should. I think you should do it.
Okay, let's do it.
I think you should do it
Так,
because
кто?
when,
Электроники, пожалуйста.
Валера,
This is electrical part.
so when you mount it, you should use this one. Use this one because it needs the power. Needed power. So you should have a try.
When we will mount it back.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Mount.
now we don't need it. А его стоп. Его где-то сюда надо будет. Натягивать его, видите, вон. Вы тянете, силу надо будет. О, видите, какая прикольная фишечка.
О, так это весы, ёпта, сумки взвешивают. ёпта.
Только она тут... Валера, что стоим, кого ждем? Давай, погнали.
Так, разобрали на время, блядь.
Давайте, пацаны.
Давай.
Давай, стали в море, блядь, погнали.
Так, значит, снимаем вот эту
It's
хуйню.
to adjust the belt, yeah?
Yes.
To the belt. Заебатого. Конечно, лучше. Еврофусика. And how... Okay.
Так, что?
Тебе вот эту
Вот
надо.
это вот получается только
Или что,
что.
его что, надо ослабить.
Вот электроны все рукожопые, блядь. Видите, вот это механики все делают за них, блядь. Они только ходят, коннекшены подключают, отключают.
Мы, блядь, снять, что ли?
Давай, блядь.
Вот это одно началось.
Значит, нам надо запасные ремни, запасные сенсоры.
Но он за это, зафиксированный.
Зафиксировать.
Ну, сначала
Так а что он нам не показал, как разбирать и что?
Нет, first of all, to
So you should.
take out this one.
No, this one, not two, because this is the whole block. This one is the hole. This is the hole. So you should then remove the cover, and this one is the hole.
Only here, yeah?
Yeah, only here, and
This,
Давай,
this,
открывай.
down.
and this one. When in the spare,
Вот, смотрите, натяжная, вот натяжная, вот, это натяжная, вот, раз,
Сначала
два, три,
вставляем
четыре.
натяжную, получается.
Отдаешь вот эти 4 болта и вот это натяжные. Все, вот, 4 болта. Давай, погнали. Че сидим, кого
Вещи,
ждем, блядь?
вещи.
Давай, блядь, сейчас нахуй пиздежа будет с
Мы пока
моста.
покурим, блядь. ёпта.
Мы пошли курить, блядь, давай, молодой.
Покурим.
Надо было с собой свой инструмент взять, что-то тут какой-то инструмент детский такой.
Давай, Валерчик, давай, дорогой. Ремень у тебя есть такой запасной?
Свой давай.
Посмотри в кладовке. Вот там.
Нюансы тоже. Вот эти ремни, блядь, ходить, наверное, хуй будут, блядь, сколько-то там времени, блядь.
Но он сказал, что long time.
Да, блядь.
Ну, если long time, то хер его знает.
Ну, даже если нет, его надо все равно будет
Учитывая, что это
периодически
китайский
подтягивать.
лонгтайм.
Подтягивать ремни же имеют свойство, блядь, как и пизда, блядь, расширяться.
Да пизда-то вообще, блядь, там вообще, блядь.
Виталичка, ты снимаешь?
Да.
Валерка, что ты матюкаешься с трипа, блядь?
Дети смотреть будут учиться тоже как раз было. Мотористы.
Ты же сказал хоть, что это мы меняем?
Расскажите нам, пожалуйста, что ты там меняешь? Вообще, что
А я не знаю, я не электрон.
Вообще сегодня утром проснулся, а вокруг
Она висит.
столько много китайцев.
Две половинки. Да, о, видишь? А ну-ка теперь проверь. Они...
А там тоже ремни внутри.
Вот, смотри. Не, ну конечно, два ремня, два сенсора, два ремня, два привода.
Значит, сейчас вот эти надо будет отдать.
Да, отдать чуть-чуть его туда и все снимать.
Выкидывают, это не нужно.
You have one broken sensor. It's not in the position.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, because someone assembled it.
But need if correct this like this and this like this, yes?
Yes.
Together.
Yeah.
Okay, чтобы они...
Охуенный английский, я ничего не понял.
Мерки. По меркам стоит.
Нет, просто поотдавай их и все.
Ну, не знаю, не буду откручивать.
Да.
А, и внизу, да?
Все, расслабил, снимай ремень. Расслабил, снимай
So
ремень.
if you lose this one, can move.
Yes.
Can move and
Yes.
take out the belt.
Down.
What is the life of this belt?
Получается, оно меняется все, блядь, вот это все
Sorry.
все вместе, вот это получается. Если его сейчас отдать, то...
Ну это
Можешь, да, можешь чуть-чуть.
Вот.
А это следующий.
вот, откручиваешь и снимаешь.
So how many?
А, этот шкив, да?
1,000 hours. No, no, no.
But spare parts coming together with this, yes?
Yes. This one is the hole. This one is the hole. In the spare. This one is the hole.
А, тут такая же шляпа,
You
то
don't
есть надо...
lose this one.
Yeah.
Все, значит, можно полностью. А, ну оно все. Первый поршень ТДС. Первый пистон в ТДС. Давай настраивать. So when you are in it, the first piston, the piston number one, in top dead center,
Yes, TDC.
TDC, and this red lines in the same position. Yes.
In same position.
Okay.
So when you turn the engine to the TDC, there's three lines. In this is one line. Yes.
Yeah.
And another is here. The third here. So it should be. You should refer to the flywheel and check this one first. It should be this position. If
In
not,
the top position.
top position. If not, you can you
тут
should
написано,
adjust
да.
this one.
Yeah, but this is a drive from the crankshaft.
Yeah, I suggest you to ask maker to do this. So it's involved in some calibration in the software. So this offset is different if you remove it. So
А, ну это...
You mean if we remove these gears?
yeah,
These gears.
the offset will be different with when we calibrate it in the software.
Okay.
So first you should turn the turning gear to the TDC.
Cylinder number one.
Number one, and then check this
Okay.
line. It should at
Okay.
top position.
Okay.
And then it's rough. I think it's rough. You can see it. If at this position it's incorrect, So, and then change this one. Change this one. Okay.
Окей.
Ну, все, ставь в зад.
На самом деле. Раз, раз. Ну тут какая-то, блядь, 114 это
To
Мерить эту, блядь.
Нет, натяжение.
Ну да.
I think it's
Maybe to
no
here.
no no
Maybe
no no
somewhere here.
no no no. I think it's at no. Here? Oh no no no.
No.
No, from other side. From other side.
No no no. It's the same.
You have the thin.
Oh yes, this one, this one.
Yeah, right.
I'm sorry, I forgot it. And at nearly
Мгм.
30 to 40.
From 30 to 40. Ага,
Да.
окей.
Надо записать.
Все, Валерчик, давай.
Окей.
Сейчас я...
Подожди, давай, давай, я буду натягивать, давай. Мышка реша с тобой.
Так где-то, да?
Ну, от 30 до 40 должно быть. От 30 до 40. Все, вот я тяну. Давай, погнали, погнали.
Погнали, погнали.
Быстрее, быстрее.
Быстрее, быстрее.
Еще быстрее.
Валерчик, один зафиксируй, два зафиксируй напротив друга.
Break again. Open.
Все, ты понял? Единственное, что поебаться надо будет повыставлять.
What's your remote system on your ship? Comes back.
It's сам
Сам электроник.
Все, Валерчик,
Окей.
ты проебался свое счастье.
Аллилуйя.
Все,
Ты
мы с
made
электроном справились. Я и трактор. Короче, понятно. И надо нам будет такую ручку еще приделать.
Счет кому предъявлять за замену?
Это входит в стоимость. Все нормально пошло.
Фиксация. Вон, сюда.
Не, ну мы сделали оверхол.
Стой.
Крышки ставь назад, давай.
After you mount this, you should check the line again.
Yeah.
У нас все совпадает, Валерка. Ну смотри, ты все, ты проебал, пизда
Все
точно.
проебал, нормально.
Это
блядь,
попадает,
всё.
а это.
Так эту я не снимал.
Блять, так ты проебал и все,
Ну,
блядь.
сейчас поменяю. поставлю.
Да ладно,
Сейчас
Давай,
поменяем.
там,
Охуенно,
уже
блядь, сейчас
понял.
поменяем, блядь. Все понятно, блядь. Грудь, блядь, сдох, нахуй, все сдохло. Всё, блядь. Что там, что заебался?
Дядя, расписание какое-то. Во сколько?
This is the type. And the control system overview is consists of this is internal engine control system, and this is the external system. Wartsila stands for the engine control system only. Wartsila, and the others such as remote control system and the safety system, electronic governor, and the alarm monitoring system is the external system. So they have communication with the internal system, and it's done by the FCM20 models communication with the bus, SSI bus or model bus or CAN open bus. So Wartsila system, Wartsila engine system works is not a remote system and not a safety and not an alarm and monitoring system. It's the engine system. So this is the description of this system. On the left, this is our scope of supply. So this is the engine supply, and the right side, this is not our scope of supply, and this is the third part. It depends on the Nabatesco or Limso or other remote makers.
Wartsila didn't supply with the remote makers.
Yes, but
With the remote-
Wartsila approved by
Uh-huh.
approved this. I remember three: Nabatesco, Lingsor, and Kongsberg.
It's approved by the Wartsila, so
Yeah. So
it's working correct with the
Yes.
with the regime.
So compare with the traditional engine, you add two more, this one and the flex view.
Bridge.
So two panels for the local, one is local, and the emergency control, local and the engine control room.
It's bridge not have, yeah?
Bridge not have this control room, engine control room, and this is in the local. Bridge with the remote system, telegraph to control the engine. And the remote system, its responsibility is to integrate this one to the same system.
Виталик, ты что там не снимаешь?
So communicate with the electric governor, alarm monitoring system, safety system is by the bus. So this is the flex, anti-flex concept. This 1, 2, 3 are the common function. Every cylinder with it. So this has the fuel oil by the wax system, and each cylinder, every cylinder have this function, and serve oil and starting air. So and the crankcase give the signal to the wax system. So this signal is very important for the engine. So this is the wax system. It's cool engine control. It processes all actuation, regulating the control directly into the engine. So command rail monitoring and the pressure regulating. The system can adjust the rail pressure and the serve oil pressure by itself via the internal bus. So all the models communication with each other by the internal bus. All the electronic hardware of anti-flex engine, so called FCM20, including the wax system, are mounted on the engine and not in the control room. So it's on the engine. It's on the engine. You communicate via the internal system canvas, and operate access to wax is integrated in the user interface, the Pershing control system and the flex view. So the remote system integrates all the components. So this is not a safety system. This is the only can control itself.
Excuse me.
Okay.
What happens if we will renew one of these models with the new one, not from the zero position, but with the new one? It wouldn't work at all. One of the cylinders wouldn't work.
Yeah. What didn't work and
If for example, we have problems with the two models, FCM20.
oh
So we are taking one from the zero position and one from the spare.
yeah.
This one, which from the spare, this it has no information.
No information. Yeah.
So it can after 20 minutes to get some information from the engine.
Yeah.
Or it have to be put in a zero position.
Yeah.
It have to be put in a zero position first of all,
Yeah.
and then
Then put
You
here.
start my engine, 20 minutes running, again stop,
Yeah.
Change.
change, yeah. After the automatic download is finished,
Yeah.
and then
One cylinder switch off.
yeah. So you should switch off this first. Switch off the zero and the which is broken, and then
So anyway, anytime we have to put first of all in the zero position to get some information.
yeah, get
To put in the zero position and start the engine. Start the
Yeah,
engine,
yeah.
get some information.
no. You should put here and it will download it.
Oh, it's just downloading automatically. Don't need to start the engine.
Don't need to. You should power on, switch on.
Switch
Give the
off,
power.
put it in zero, switch on,
Yeah.
wait for half an hour,
Yes.
and then we can
Then yes.
put. Oh, okay.
After change, you should switch off and then change it.
Yeah, as usual.
For example, we have two modeling spare parts, yeah?
Yeah.
Possible to put, for example, one to zero position,
Yeah.
working of about 20 minutes after takeout, and put again new one, because we have two.
Yeah.
This
Put a
information
new one
for
to-
new one
You want
is
to
not
here?
missing for a time. It's not missing information.
If no zero, it doesn't matter. The engine.
Yeah,
Can
yes.
For, on a zero position, we can load all information for all cylinders. Yeah. For example, we need to change 2 or 3 FCM models.
Yeah.
So we can put one, then take it, then put second one, then
Yeah,
take
and
it, then
so this
put.
is free. It's okay.
It's not losing
It's
information.
communication with the actual system.
Ah,
Alarm maybe it's not important. The
Okay,
engine
now
can
it's
still,
clear.
if you have more than one cylinders.
Не, я имею в виду, если у нас
Да.
их два,
Да,
получается.
он говорит, можешь один вставил, зарядил, вытащил,
Вы-
второй поставил, зарядил,
Вы положите
вытащил.
их в spare part, один, типа,
нахуя их
а
положить?
второй, чтобы был за...
Нахуя положить?
Ну, если
Я
их
если-
два.
Ну,
Ну,
такая
допустим.
лежит второй, не надо. Ты позаряжал два, блядь, у тебя на следующий день два и пришлось менять. Не надо, такая лежит в спаре себе.
Не, не,
Это
Ладно,
можно снимать.
пыль с него сдувай.
So the remote control
Как
system.
перезагрузить?
Выключить, включить.
This is the remote control system. Give the start, stop, air run. So it's the same with the traditional engine. So Wartsila has selected 3 approved remote control makers. They are Kongsberg, Navatesco, Japan, and Rinso from Denmark. And the signal of the telegraph to the engine. A start ahead, you will see from here. This is the signal from the remote system, and the maker integrate. I mentioned integrate them to the engine with the whole system, and the anti-flex engine. When you move the telegraph, you can see the last breaking.
Вот это ты сейчас регулируешь,
Это топливная рейка.
то, ну,
Now I can choose any of RPMs.
It should be protected by the governor,
Yeah,
but it is the simulator.
yeah. Ну и вот я
Так,
мануально
давай,
он
как
идет.
нам продуваться? Готовим машину.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you yesterday.
Yeah.
Stop the engine. When we are preparing the main engine,
Yeah.
as we talked before,
Uh,
what we should to do? For example, we need to prepare main engine. What we are doing?
tuning gear, or the lubricated.
Engage tuning gear,
Yeah.
then
Then check the main start air valve.
okay.
And
no, the checks.
Yeah, this is
and
okay.
I mean, okay. How can I start the cylinder oil? Lube oil for the cylinders.
Lube oil for the
Yeah,
cylinders.
lubricating cylinder oil.
In the
Yeah.
flex view,
How? Show me, please.
Okay, let me check it. So you have see the card, and it should be in the. Let me see. You want to pre?
Pre-lube. Start pre-lubrication. Yeah, pre-lubrication before slow turning the engine.
Yeah, where's the card?
Exhaust well injection.
Just to cut off this the venting function, and this is the exhaust valve command. And remember.
Все позабыл.
So I will check. I will tell you this afternoon.
Okay.
I will check on the flex view. I forgot it.
I need to know the procedure
Procedure. Okay, okay.
for prepare engine. Yeah, before start
Okay.
and after stop. How?
To finish with the engine.
Yes.
Okay. This is important.
Yeah, it's very important because I can make a better.
Slow turning.
No. Slow turning, it means turning by air.
Air.
Only
Touch.
Yes. Не, все, вот он сейчас продулся, вот видите, продулся, все, закрываем индикаторный,
потом
и потом все, ремонт,
Нет.
контрол, пошли нахуй, пидорасы. Наверное, они должны подтвердить на носу.
там бридж у нас загорается.
Ну, бридж или ремонт контрол.
20 minutes.
Oh. Oh, it's
Something happens with the engine.
start. Ah, this engine start block cannot start.
Oh.
This engine maybe it's okay. No, yeah, maybe it can start.
Okay.
Engine and can follow the procedure. This one? Oh no, this one. See this is we print it from the operation menu.
Operation manual,
Yes.
okay. We will have the same on the ship, yeah?
Yes.
It's delivering with the ship, operation manual,
Yeah.
all the manuals.
The operation have more than 700 pages. Yes. We will give you the PDF in the memory disk.
Yeah, it will be.
5?
Yeah, 5,
Yes.
please.
Yes.
It's okay.
Okay, so what are you doing now?
You want
Вырубай
to
один из них.
We need to
change
close one module.
Switch off.
switch off?
Number
Yes.
6.
If
Now engine running, yes?
Yes.
Now
Yeah.
engine
Yes.
running.
it's assumed that one is broken,
Yeah.
you need to change it immediately.
Yeah, immediately. Okay, so
Should follow the
I can talk.
show us how it's broken. Okay, it put
Number
some wire or
wire.
take out some wire or what? Or we can just switch it from here. Switch off.
This one
Okay.
should lose
Just
it.
maybe fix it.
Fixed, yeah. So I needed two.
Screwdriver, да? А, не так.
Давай.
Морозится. Да какой-нибудь провод.
Откуси, перекуси его.
Зубами.
Можем нажать этот провод, отпустить его, да, или нет? Можно ж нажать, Виталичка? Нажать вот так и отрубить вот здесь.
Отвертку надо.
Не, там под... ты решишь сверху, снизу под маленький
Нет, так один
скрудайвер.
провод просто вытащить, не фишку, а провод.
Не уйдет.
Тут 24 вольта. Не, вот-вот откручивается.
Не, ну один провод, ну симуляция. У тебя что-то один провод отломался, перетерся, перебился.
Перекуси. Окей.
So remove the injection.
Да возьми, ну давай какой-нибудь, где удобнее.
This one or what?
Да любой.
Какой хочешь? Any
Ну
of this.
любой, блядь, он все равно отключится. Где удобно, блядь.
А как провода с этой фишки вытаскивать?
Ну вот
Никак.
нажимать надо.
Да нет, надо же. Тут нажать, наверное.
Ну да,
Ну да, вот
твердо
нажал, и
нажимаем.
он вылез.
This is the power.
Без power.
Power.
24 вольт.
Один, а ну слышишь, Валерчик, подожди, стой, не вытаскивай. Один провод вытащи, нажми сюда, нажми на желтую и белый провод вытащи. Нажимай, вытаскивай. Все.
Окей.
No, no.
I take
No,
out one.
we have
No,
trouble
no,
shooting.
this.
We only
Oh!
to check what happen if we take out one.
No problem.
No problem.
Окей,
This is okay.
Maybe
This is...
some. You have a tried number 2, or you remove this whole block plug.
Ладно, давай всю.
Ты соедини.
I don't know why the simulator.
Okay, no problem.
No problem.
Yeah, no alarm, nothing. Very good.
Давай, я подержи. Нажать надо и вставить.
Nothing problem. Yeah.
Oh, let me see
Нажми,
number 1.
нажми кнопочку, нажми кнопочку. Отверточкой нажми, Валерч, прежде две ручки.
It's okay. Number
Так,
number
ш-
3. And number 3 is okay.
Yes, very good. Nothing good.
Simulator.
What's
Oh, it's the simulator because no connect. It's
Основной power отключи вот этот.
Так можно и так отключить.
С автомата.
Не-не-не-не. Вытащи, нажми, Валер, ну нажми, вытащи, что ты? Да я, блядь, сейчас вытащу.
Да не надо.
This is a power, yeah? Okay,
Yes.
Plus, minus. Something happens with this wire.
No problem. Nothing.
Something happens, it's broken, I don't know.
Ну вон у тебя воду
Okay,
выскочила.
switch it off.
Вон, пошло.
yes,
Файлот.
failed and slow down.
Куда я закрыл?
No.
No, slow down.
Slow down active,
Yes.
VX alarm active.
Yes.
Maybe
this
it's
is
some
the remote,
maybe
remote
it's some
system.
alarm delay. Alarm acknowledge. Okay.
Okay. So it will
Ну мы
active.
услышим.
Векс
Он
аларм.
будет работать не так.
So it will allow
Это
slow down.
стимулятор, блин. Ты услышишь?
Slow
что
down
нет?
active. Okay, we have some time delay. Maybe. We just
Maybe
alert.
delay.
Ну подождем.
А,
Maybe
точно. у них
30 seconds. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe about a minute.
Минута была.
About a minute.
65 секунд было. 65 секунд.
We will wait. 114,1.
Ну да.
Должен быть delay.
And now slow down.
Should slow down.
Он пошел, что пошел?
Should be.
Should be slow.
Не, ну, 140. VX alarm active. Okay, we will wait. Nothing happens. Did you test this simulator before?
No, never tested simulator before.
New, а?
Понятно, здесь мы ничего не увидим.
Yeah, the cylinder curve jumping,
Yeah.
which is abnormal. I don't know why, because maybe it's due to the simulator.
Все это хуйня, ребят, выключай. Совывание туда, блядь. Обратно нахуй, на место.
Okay. Reselect.
Yes,
Now we can start it.
yes.
Yeah, we can start it.
Хуй.
No.
No.
Emergency, no possible.
Possible.
Okay, it's stopped.
Yes.
Local speed control. Okay, let's make it a fuel control.
Yeah, fuel control
Start ahead.
without governor.
Not possible.
Emergency, no emergency. Have emergency, no emergency, this is simple. This is good model.
Fuel command. Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. 40%. 50%. Okay. Nothing happens.
Nothing. Shall we try from the CR? And try it. Okay. And use this one. No.
No, because we don't have.
So when slow down request. So we missed one cylinder.
Okay, slow down. That's why we are switching the local
Yeah.
control.
Yeah.
Because we can start from the
Local.
anytime, anyway.
Anyway, yeah.
Anything which can happen. We can start it. Okay, stop. It's stop. We have switched the blower, the speed. Okay, fuel control.
Yeah.
Safety system reset. Shut down on the right. It's not working. Alarm no. Okay, and we cannot start.
Okay. It's also the slow down.
Всё, это понятно.
Maybe in your ship, you have a try. It can start.
In our ship, this panel is not working.
Not working.
We told you before. It's
Не, ну,
died
может, починили.
according to result. Maybe the guys renew it already, but we don't know. Last time it's not working. On the sea trials, it's not working. We cannot start from the local.
Local.
We cannot start the engine. We can stop it. We can stop it. We push emergency stop button. It stops, but it not starts.
Not stopped. You push the emergency, the red button, not stop.
Stop. No, it stop it. Stop it. You know, and only. And then we have tried to start it. Monitor is died. Everything is died. Everyone is happy. Going upstairs. So how it works, you don't know.
I'm not sure because
I'm sure that you don't know.
I don't know. I want to try it on our engine, but it is not permitted to do this.
Давай, Валерка, отвертку бери.
Okay,
я
how to change
скручиваю.
this model?
Yes, you can use the tools. Tools here.
Yes, but
this
first
one.
of all we need to screw out this
First,
one.
first you remove
In first
this.
step, what we must do?
In the procedure.
Follow the procedure.
Follow the procedure. The switch off the.
To replace. Disconnect.
Okay, now this one is switch off.
Yeah, if this one is broken,
Yeah.
and the spare in here. Spare.
Сделали на клипсах.
In the.
Попробуй ее нахуй открутить для поменять.
Так нет, чего?
Не, они
Всё.
на клипсах.
Смотри, вот.
Вот это
Раз,
надо
one,
открутить,
two,
вот эти.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Вот эти, yes. This is the wire holder.
Close the. Should the.
Yes, power is closed.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Значит, мы сейчас освобождаем
Тут
тот
вот, все кабеля надо освободить.
линию.
Ну да. Вот, раз, два.
Все кабеля, там фишки открутить. Все, она свободна. Вот там откручиваю фишки.
In the ship, you can switch off one and
I
start.
don't have time for play on the ship. I can play
Oh, well.
games here.
I will play it in our workshop later.
On the ship it's very dangerous.
Then
If it happens like this,
yeah.
Они
everything is died.
промаркированы. да,
Everything
нихуя
died.
ж.
When you
I mean,
enter
electronics,
the
engine, everything is stopped, and we will have a big head aching how to start the main engine.
How,
So-
why is no how marker here? How
How is-
I know? For example, X11.
Where
We
marker?
need to mark X11.
no, it
For I
should
put
be
it-
a mark inside. You can see X12.
Там с той
You will
стороны.
remove it and you will see.
А, там с той стороны.
Пошли, наверное, покурим.
Пока они меняют его.
Давай, вставай. Это мне надо стучать.
Свечись!
Короче, наш шантаж говорит, что мы не будем никому говорить, что, блядь, симулятор не работает.
Да, yes.
Yes.
Давай, Рому, блядь. турне, блядь, по Шанхаю, блядь.
С челочками.
Такие бабки, я ебать. Нормальную машину можно было.
За 12 рублей.
За 3 дня. Что не дали? Кофе, блядь, мы поедем.
Пиво, кофе, вода,
Сегодня даже, блядь,
конфеты.
график не дали. Что за хуйня?
Это весело тут настроить.
You,
This is electrician working.
you take a long flight here yesterday?
No.
From where?
We have 2 hours ride from... Откуда мы приехали?
Охуенно. Джаин, блядь, какой-то.
Джаин.
Jiangyin.
Jiangyin.
Jiangyin from here, Jiangyin to Shanghai?
It's
Yeah.
2
hours.
3 hours
3 hours, okay.
by car.
By car?
Yeah.
Not by flight?
No.
Oh, okay. The next ship, the port. Where is the port? Next ship.
We are going back to Sanyin.
Ah.
This
Because,
shipyard.
our ship is in the shipyard. We are waiting for delivery.
Ah.
Чанжи. Чанжи shipyard.
Jiangyin,
Okay. And when? Next week?
on the end of April.
And?
End
You
of
have-
April. End of this month.
Okay, we have time to stay at Shanghai and visit. Have you been to Shanghai?
Now,
So
we have flight to Shanghai and then we go to Sanyin. But tomorrow we are going back to Sanyin.
oh, tomorrow
вот оно.
back.
Tomorrow. After the courses.
You buy the tickets?
Блядь,
Oh,
довольно-таки.
oh,
We have agent. He
Oh.
will pick up us and bring.
When?
After the courses, I
Of
don't
course,
know.
I think tomorrow afternoon, maybe the course will end, and I have a training for the X type. The Wartsila will have a training, so I should participate in this training. So we stop at tomorrow morning after lunch.
Yes,
Okay.
we came here for 3 days.
3 days.
As
Yeah.
I know, for 3 days.
Yeah. According to the plan, it should be over at 3 o'clock, 3:30 p.m.
Yeah.
But tomorrow, something happened. So,
What can happen tomorrow?
and I have a training.
You have a training.
Yeah, the Wartsila training. Wartsila training related to regarding the X-type engine.
Okay, so
We have an X-type engine at the October this year. So we never built it. So we want to.
what we gonna to do tomorrow?
You can go to hotel or and your requirement.
Tomorrow we have the trainings.
Yeah.
Yeah, with you.
Yes.
До обеда.
You.
So after the training, you will have the trainings with
Yeah.
Wartsila.
Yes.
I thought that you would not come tomorrow.
Oh, welcome.
So we will meet you tomorrow
Good morning.
at 9 p.m.
Yeah.
Or 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Yes. And you have a lunch. And afternoon you can.
Теперь
Depends
надо,
on you.
блядь,
You can.
ориентир.
So
Там вот он
tomorrow
должен
we will
идти.
we will have training till the lunch.
Yeah.
And after the lunch it's no trainings.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you have any requirement, you can tell me, and I'll tell my boss.
Кто-то закрутил, да,
We
мотор?
will try my best to.
All that we need is as much as possible information on the disk, on the
Yes.
CDs.
Yes, we can do that.
Another one question: Are you give us some certificates that we finished the training with Wartsila Artiflex engine or not?
Yes, certification. We
You
have.
can give
And the
certificates.
photo, I will give you, and the memory disk.
Yeah.
And overall, you not forget.
Close.
Overall.
You asked about our roles.
Yes.
And what-
Sorry.
No.
Don't have more. No more.
We
No,
don't
no,
have-
possible.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So tomorrow you will give us the CDs, a photo.
Yes.
And the
certification.
Okay. This is official. Some.
Yeah,
we have
official the
discussed
class.
barbecue.
By the Classification Society. Approved.
Approve it. So
Yes.
Okay, it's very good.
Or you have some questions, you can stay here and ask my colleagues. I will ask my colleagues here.
I have questions. I do have questions, but I can't remember.
А тут-
your
А,
hand.
6,
You can
да?
write on the paper.
6.
You have questions. If I can, because I'm familiar with the engine structure and the commissioning workshop, I'm not familiar. I have less experience on the C-trap. So something related to the remote system, safety system,
Mhm.
maybe I'm not very familiar with it. But the engine structure, I think I'm familiar with it.
Okay.
Because we have the course
А, там ничего нет, вот это вот как бы и есть, да?
Transport, they were another guys from from Kongsberg.
Просто вот такая, да, я думал там еще просто что-то здоровое, знаешь, как ящик выдвигается какой-то. А он тупо
принципе, блядь, все понятно. Новый поставил и пиздец.
он не тяжелый, да?
Не, не
такой?
такой нормальный.
Ну, там видно, что просто защита, там и на компьютер стоит.
And
Можно его, в принципе, открыть, блядь, глянуть. Тут он, я смотрю, эти, блядь.
Раз,
эти
два.
самые.
Ну тут вот эти, наверное, да, открывается.
there was the video instructions
Открывай.
for
Пошла такая пьянка.
Может, нельзя его открывать.
А?
У нас
А, тут пломба у него.
review the battery.
А, friend, а possible this open this cover?
Discover.
No,
как
no
там?
need to open. We never. And you can use this one because it's convenient.
Maybe this broken, no? This possible open.
This is broken, and normally you should use this one instead of. So if you want to save time, you can use this one directly to mount here.
Не надо тут
Не,
открывать.
я смотрю, как он тут так само.
So the question is about the instructions menu.
А он такой же,
For
блядь,
example,
точно
how
такой же.
to
Не все одинаковые.
Ну,
review.
FCM-20, FCM-20. Не, они одинаковые должны быть. У них нет, не должно быть разницы никакой.
Video instructions. So
Visual.
Visual, yes. You put the disk inside the computer. You find to renew, for example, cylinder cover. So and it plays
Video training.
Виталий,
like
я
a-
рассказываю. It has some videos. So you push it, it plays video. For example, to changing the cylinder cover, we need 4 jacks like this one, some jack machine.